How to fix disk management is not loading in Windows. 1. Disable two services from running, Remote Access Connection Manager and Remote Access Auto Connection Manager. Make the virtual disk service run manually. 2. Google some disk management tools. For Windows. 3. Run the system file checker and DISM. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthdism/online/cleanupimage/restore health 4. Check your hardware, RAM, CPU and hard drive. 5. Disconnect unnecessary devices. 6. For CyberLink software users, enable CyberLink Virtual Drive. 7. Use diskpart command. 8. Keep your system up to date. 9. Create a new user account.